I'll put this in here. I'm fine. Hello guys, it's me Gianna. Ooh, strawberry jam. It's been a while since my last cooking video. Today is very exciting. You know why? Because today I'm gonna make strawberry ice cream and mango ice cream. First up, I'm making strawberry ice cream, but the second ice cream is called lemon ice cream. So I got this recipe from Oppa. Thank you, Oppa. Today we're gonna use this ice cream machine. I borrowed it from Oma. Thank you, Oma. You know what? This ice cream machine is very old. It is 40 years old. Wow. Alright, let's get started. So these are the ingredients. Milk, egg yolk, and what's this? Cornstarch, sugar, salt,
jelly
powder, and strawberry jam. Strawberry jam is so yummy. It's the highest score of all. That score means 102. Now I'm gonna mix the egg yolk and sugar. Hello! It's an echo. This bowl is echoey. This looks like pretend tiny rocks. But why? It's called sugar. And it tastes sugary.
How does sugar taste?
Sugary.
Is it bitter? Is it salty? It's sweet!
And now Gianna's gonna whisk this mixture until I get little bubbles. I think I'm gonna whisk this until it's a bit foamy. Is this foam? Okay. Is this foam?
Mama help, yeah. Mama help.
You're so fast!
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
A bit
All over
messy.
the place.
A bit messy, Ma. It's a bit messy. Is this foamy? It's okay.
Gianna, para ke baju ya. Tisu ya.
I'm fine. Whisk until the color changes like this.
Okay.
Thank you, Mama. And it's time to go for the cornstarch to go in. Looks like flour, but it's a bit more floury and salty.
Oh, Gianna.
It's okay. Now mix again with Mama's whisk. I'm too tired of mixing very fast. Done? I forgot. I need to cook the milk and the jelly powder first. And I use this pan. How many gallons?
Just half of it, half.
How many gallons? Oh yeah, jelly powder. All of it? My Mama will help to heat this up. And now Mama will help mix these two mixtures. Ma, are you sure you're so fast? Oh yeah. Wow, so many lumps, Ma.
And now Mama will just heat up this mixture.
Okay. Alright guys, this is our ice cream mixture. But I forgot to add vanilla. Let's add the vanilla now. And then whisk again. Busy, 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 busy. Okay, alright, now I'm gonna strain this mixture before I pour it into Oma's machine. This machine is very, very big.
This is the mixture.
But so beautiful. Wow! I'm gonna do
Panas sayang.
Okay, fine. I'll hold your arm.
Ooh.
It's okay, Ma.
Gianna help to scrape the mixture ya.
Okay, fine.
Pegang. Di sini stop dulu. Scrape from the pan. Scrape out. Okay, great job. Okay, now Mama will do it.
Oh, that's how we scrape. Are we finished yet?
Is Gianna ready to pour the mixture into the machine?
Lift it now. Aduk. So this is the mixture. Wait. Hello, I'm gonna set up this machine like this. Yeah. And this is at the very top. Screw. Okay. But it's still hard. Okay. Wow. I cannot do it. Whoop. This is mixture. So minyaky. Mom, we forgot. And now it's time for the strawberry jam. 2, 3, 4. Done. And now I'm going to close the lid and then start mixing. I want to taste this. I'm setting the timer. This one, and I'm gonna turn on the blade. Now close the lid, Mom! Now I'm closing the lid. And now this is the boring part. How to play. I'll be back. Our ice cream is done finally. And now this is the big leather ice cream. This is looking ice creamy. Alright guys, this is our strawberry ice cream. Have you tried at home? See you on the next video. 110.
Wow.
109 maybe.